everyone, welcome to our Facebook page. We are going to paste the fabric on the base, cover the side of the box using this beautiful lace. We are also pasting some sticks around it. Now we are going to take a jute rope and then we are going to braid it till the top. Now cut the extra part of the stick and cover it, put the lace and look, it's ready. Here we are going to make a beautiful container. Let's get started. So take this plastic plate. We are going to cover the top and bottom using this beautiful fabric. After this, we are going to paste some white sticks on the side of the plate using hot glue gun. We are going to put these two different color of rope together. So twist both of them, the blue and the jute rope, and we are going to create this beautiful design. And look, it's ready. Let's make the handle as well. So we're going to take the jute rope. Look how we are doing here. Put it on the side of the stick like this. Paste it and cut the extra part of the stick. Now take another stick. We are going to roll the blue color of rope and paste it on the side of the basket, and look, it's ready. Here we are going to use this circle and make a beautiful container out of it. So cover the base of the circle using jute fabric, and we're also pasting some white sticks on the side of it. Here we are going to use this yellow color of thread and we are going to cover the entire sticks like this. We're going to braid them till the top, and look, it's ready. Finally, add more designs on the top of it, and look, your pen stand is ready. Here we are going to put the double-sided tape like this and cover the entire box. Now we are going to paste this beautiful brown rope around it. In place of this, you can also use hot glue gun, but that one is tough. This is a very easy way of wrapping the thread around the box. And look, it's ready. After this, we're going to cut a small piece of fabric and we're going to take a scissor, cut it, and look, it's ready. After cutting the fabric, we're going to fold it, look like this. Hold it from the corners. As you can see, we're going to paste it, look like this, using hot glue gun. You can see the line as well, and look, it's ready. After pasting the fabric, here we're going to make a box shape and then we're going to put it inside the box like we're doing here in this video, and we're going to bend it and paste this lace around it, and look, it's ready. Take this plate, we are going to cover it using jute rope. Now we are going to paste these green sticks around it, bend the sticks and paste it using hot glue gun. Now we're going to braid the jute rope around those sticks. You can adjust it by pulling the sticks, and look, it's ready. Braid it till the top. Cut the extra part of the sticks. Now we are going to put this brown color of beautiful lace around it. Let's make the handle. So we are going to roll the jute rope around the stick and paste it around the box. Look like we are doing here in this video. Cut the extra part of the thread, bend it, and look, your beautiful basket is ready. You can make more such baskets at home and reuse old plates. Thank you so much for watching this video.